In personal finance, one name stands out above the rest: Dave Ramsey. He's known for his no-nonsense approach to money management, and Ramsey's advice resonates with millions worldwide. But why doesn't Dave endorse captive insurance agencies like State Farm? Let's dive deeper into Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy and why he only endorses companies like Trailstone Insurance Group. Hello, and today we are talking about why Dave Ramsey only recommends independent insurance agencies like mine, Trailstone Insurance Group. Dave never recommends a captive agent, but before we get to that, I want to share one of my favorite Daveisms. Yes, if you Google Daveisms, you'll get hundreds of his sayings. So here's one of my favorites. We buy things we don't need with money we don't have to impress people we don't like. Okay, back to the topic at hand. First off, what exactly is a captive insurance agent? No, it's not someone who's held hostage by insurance policies. A captive agent works exclusively for one insurance company, like State Farm, Allstate, or Farmers. They're like the employee who can only sell the products stocked on the shelves of one store. Sure, captive agents know their company's products inside and out, but here's the catch. They're limited. They can't offer you a comparison with other companies. It's like going to a restaurant that only serves one dish. Yeah, not so good if you don't like what's on the menu, right? Well, to put it another way, many times captive agents have a conflict of interest when giving advice. Captive insurance agencies are often associated with a limited product selection, as they primarily only sell their own company's insurance policies. On Dave Ramsey's radio show, he's expressed concerns about potential conflicts of interests in such arrangements because captive agents may prioritize their company's profits over the best interests of their clients. Sad, but true. Now, let's talk about why Dave Ramsey prefers independent agents like Trailstone over captives. Independents provide flexibility, experience, and customer service. Those are the key differences. So, Trailstone agents have the freedom to shop around for the best policies from multiple A-rated companies. Our agents also have more experience under their belts as well. Many of our team started as captive agents before joining Trailstone. They saw the light. Another big deal, Dave Ramsey talks about it on his show a lot. Ramsey trusted pros like Trailstone have the heart of a teacher. Dave wants our team to educate, not just sell. So our agents here at Trailstone are always focused on what is best for your family, not what's best for the captive insurance company. Trailstone provides choices, not just one product. Check out this review from TL Gallegos, who recently went through Financial Peace University. This group was recommended to my family through the Financial Peace University class by Dave Ramsey. The agent we worked with, Travis, did an amazing job finding the right policyholder for us. He was very kind and patient and took the time to explain to us the items we needed to boost up and the items we could tweak. The whole process was seamless, with Travis being able to start our coverage within a day of us deciding to move forward. Also, the ability to text communicate during business hours was a plus. Wow, thank you so much. And that's why Dave Ramsey recommends Ramsey trusted pros like Trailstone Insurance. We're his choice for independent agents, and we're handpicked for our expertise and dedication to customer service. Don't settle for less. Reach out today for your free quote. Dave says, if you will live like no one else, later you can live like no one else. Until next time.